Hey guys, we're going to talk about our freeze pane options for our sixth video in this series, and also our different viewing options. So first things first, in order to be able to mess with these different features, or excuse me, to use these different features appropriately, we're going to need to go up to our view toolbar menu up here. So we click view. And once we've done that, you can see right here we got our freeze panes option. I wanted to just show you, we're just going to use an example of, we're going to freeze the first column, and I'll show you what this does. Have you ever used one of those data sets where it's so frustrating because you get so like geographically far away from the labels that you're using, it's hard to really determine what you're even looking at? Well, this allows it, so I've frozen my first column, and it allows me to pull these labels over. So now I know I'm looking at within my away from home caloric intake. Within the total population, I'm looking at the school calories right here. You know, just having the access to those labels, especially on huge data sets like census data, can really make a difference in terms of keeping you organized and making it easier to view everything appropriately. Also, just wanted to point out there's lots of different options up here you can play with, so take some time and familiarize yourself with those because they really will make a difference in your ability to analyze the data set with the framework of how you're actually physically seeing the data itself.